Hi, Kiana.
Hi.
What's going on today? Cece. Oh, there's Cece.
Oh,
She came to join in on the video.
she's doing it.
Hi, kitty, kitty, kitty. Okay. And we got the Shopkins vending machine. It looks like it's, well, about half full of Shopkins. But there's still quite a few Shopkins in there. It looks like Peppa Pig and Pinkie Pie, My Little Pony, and Peppa are looking to see which Shopkins they want to buy. Looks like Baby Jaguar already picked his. He got fairy crumbs, I guess because he was hungry. Yum, yum. And then you got King Pig.
King Pig.
Yeah. Looks like he picked out Pineapple Crush. Well, he's got a couple of trash packs on him. The donut trash packs. And then you've got another King Pig.
Another one? Oh.
He's got a little pig on his ear, it looks like. And another little King Pig, I guess it looks like. And then he's the big King Pig. And that's Mary Meringue.
Mary Meringue.
Yeah, she's ultra rare.
She's ultra rare.
Yep.
She is ultra rare.
And then George looks like he picked out, Rock and Broccoli. And then
Sorry.
okay, who's the next My Little Pony?
His name.
Oh, Strawberry. What's that one's name? Strawberry Kiss? Not exactly sure the name.
I'm not sure.
It looks like she picked out Al Foil.
I got a foil.
And then we have I'm not sure what the name is. It's a glitter pony. It's glittery.
He's glitter.
And he picked out Mushy Moo.
Mushy Moo.
Mushy Moo. Let's see. It doesn't look like an Orange picked out a Shopkin yet. So he's going to have to come up and get one. Okay, let's see here. So, let's see which one.
Which one?
Which one does Peppa want? Which one does she want? Which one do you think she wants, Kiana? Let's see. Let's see, which one do I want?
Which one?
Well, there's so many to pick from.
Which one?
Let's see. Well, it's kind of a warm day today, so I'm going to get the popsicle.
Popsicle.
Okay, so you got to put your money in, Peppa. And then press the right button. Let's see here. I think it's that one, the star. Okay.
Is it that one?
Ching. Okay. Okay, let's get your Shopkin, Peppa. Okay.
Wow.
Wow, look at all those Shopkins.
Look at that. Wow.
Okay, now which one did she pick out again? Oh, there it is. Popsicle.
Found it.
Popsicle. Okay. So let's put her over there with her. She's gonna eat her popsicle. There you go. Okay, let's see, Pinkie Pie, which one did you want?
Which one?
Do you want, oh, she already got hers, Kiana. She's going to eat her popsicle. Okay, Pinkie Pie's going to pick hers. Let's see here. Which one do you want? How about, do you want Sippy Cup?
Sippy Cup.
Yeah, that's little. That's little like you are, Pinkie Pie. There it is.
got it.
Is she sipping it? Sip, sip, sip. Let's see. What about an orange? See if he wants to get something. Do you want a Shopkin, an orange? Yes, I do. Let's see. Which one do you want?
Which
Well,
one?
I'm gonna get a vegetable. I'm gonna get corny corn.
Corny corn.
Okay, go ahead and put your money in. And push, let's see, I think it's the one with the heart.
Is that
Okay. Corny corn.
corny corn?
Okay, pick it out.
Where is
Okay, pick it out there.
it? Where is it? Oh,
Orange. Okay, he got it.
I got it. I
Okay.
got it.
You got corny corn. Well, looks like everybody's got their Shopkins. Okay. Kiana, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.